man. It's just dumb. He goes, yeah, that low-end torque is just ridiculous.
Recording. Let's do. Alrighty, time to put the distributor in. I went with the Speedmaster El Rayo. Pretty cool little company. Been going with Speedmaster for years. I'm sort of a budget guy. And even though this one's all fancy El Rayo, you know, you guys can look that up on Instagram, Speedmaster79. Pretty cool guys. Been speaking to them out in Australia, which was kind of cool. Pretty cool accents. But anyway, I've been using these for a while. Recommend them. Have not used this one yet, so this will be a good test for it. What's cool about these is they can be set up for performance. They obviously have no vacuum advance, so they're mechanical. And you can set it for performance or daily use. They can also be basically, you know, your 1-wire, 2-wire, or you can run a ignition box. So pretty happy with this so far. We'll see if I love it after installing it and getting it going. But take the cap off. As you guys know, cylinder 1, I'll put a picture up, is this one over here on the far side closest to the radiator. So that's where I'm going with it. Okay, so I installed this. If you guys are watching these videos, I installed this already when the engine was on the engine stand, so I'm not going to go into detail or anything about how to do it, but also you guys can check out Thunderhead 289. He did a pretty good video, but usually just kind of push down. There we go. Bam. Now, I don't really like where that's pointing. It's kind of actually pointing at 8. Cylinder 8, so I might try this again. Boy, that is a snug fit though. I like that. I like that a lot. There we go. I like that. So I have right here my previous wiring harness that I created for plugging up my, I believe it was Speedmaster 79's distributor. I forget what this series, 5,000 or 6,000 series, something like that. Setting up the wiring, installing the coil, which I'll show you next. Here's the ignition box for the El Rayo kit from Speedmaster, and I'm going to be mounting it similar like I did the other ones. I don't know if you guys have been watching long. I did a video a long time ago, but you guys can see where I mounted it, which is on the driver's side inner fender, so that the wiring can be nice, short, and clean to installing it. But here it is again, you know, tap above or down below if you guys want to know more about this. I forget, hold on. I forget the designation of these style. What I mean by that is like, they're like P90 something or whatever, so they're not the bowl-like or whatever type of coils that we commonly use. I've been using this one for a long time, was really happy with it, and this one's just sort of an upgraded version, goes along with the kit, but chrome's kind of cooler. But I want to go with the one that came with the kit. Been going with the black and chrome theme, so either one is fine. This one's been used and abused, but I believe still has a lot of life left in it, but I'll use it as a backup to this one. So I don't have to install this, but I think I'm gonna. Nah, I'll just leave it there. Leaving that bolt kind of loose. I really didn't need to put the bolt on or the cap on because I haven't started it, I haven't done anything, so I want to be able to have access, which is why my valve cover's off. But hey, it's installed, it's getting there. I'm happy with it, and it looks good. Definitely have this like chrome, red, black theme going on, which I kind of like, and these obviously doesn't matter, but yeah, kind of a copper, chrome, black, red thing going on, so kind of like that. Alrighty, I guess I had to get to wiring. Well, if you guys notice, there's this weird texture on the valve covers. When I purchased them and then sent them off to get engraved, I said, hey, do you have like a high heat clear that I can use? And they said, yeah, we have one, but we never used it. We don't know how it's going to be. So they sprayed it on there, and it sat up on a shelf for a while, and that's kind of what happened. So I guess I'm going to go buff it or something. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, there you go. Got everything pretty much wired up. A lot of this I didn't show, but oil pressure wired up. Got this roughly. Got the ground, the positive set up over here, ground plugged in, alternator ground plugged in, this goes here, and of course got the starter connected. So I'm just slowly piecing it together. I probably should continue and try to get it started today, but I think I'm just going to go home and enjoy this sunny day. Before I get it started, probably install that. But something pretty cool, we'll see if it comes in time. But it looks like I'm gonna be, let's see if you can guess. Which different inner fenders am I gonna run? So that should be kind of cool. Looking forward to. So yeah, relocating this, not sure where, as well as all of this, not sure where. And anyway, where the wire's connected here. You guys saw the video of the mic built hinges, which install in here. If you guys haven't, I'll link it up above, just a quick video. Which means that I'm going to have to run different of these, but which ones am I going to run? If you guys like what you've seen so far, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you guys are on the groups, give it a thumbs up and comment down below for any questions or if I have done something wrong. So this is all about educating, make sure we're all doing stuff correct. Anyway, I'm going to go talk to you guys later. See ya.